Have you ever wondered about the future of cooking and how AI can revolutionize it? Picture this, a smart kitchen that's your personal sous-chef. AI is steadily infiltrating the culinary world, turning kitchens into hubs of innovation. From refrigerators that restock themselves to ovens that modify temperatures in real time based on ingredient analysis, AI brings unprecedented convenience and efficiency to food preparation. In a world where technology is ever evolving, the kitchen is no exception. Imagine a kitchen where your refrigerator knows exactly what's inside it and can suggest recipes based on those ingredients. Welcome to the world of smart refrigerators. They're not just chillers anymore. These AI-powered kitchen marvels can keep track of what's in your fridge, notify you when you're running low on essentials, and even place grocery orders for you. But AI's culinary prowess doesn't stop there. Picture a cooking tool that adjusts its settings based on the real-time analysis of ingredients. Yes, you heard it right. Cooking tools of the future will be able to adapt to the ingredients you're using, ensuring perfect results every time. Planning meals is set to become a breeze with AI's ability to suggest recipes based on what's available in your pantry. So whether it's a random Tuesday dinner or a fancy Saturday brunch, AI has got your back. The kitchen of the future is one that adapts to you, making meal preparation easier and more efficient. But with new technology comes new questions. Is AI in the kitchen safe? Can it promote healthier eating habits? As we delve into the ethical and practical considerations, we can't ignore the importance of food safety. AI can be programmed to adhere to strict safety standards, minimizing risks of cross-contamination and improper cooking temperatures, which are common causes of foodborne illness. On the flip side, the potential for AI to promote healthier eating habits is vast. Imagine a smart fridge that not only tracks your eating habits, but also suggests nutritionally balanced meals, or an AI sous-chef that can tweak recipes to cater to your dietary needs. But what about the impact on our dining experiences? Could the restaurant of the future be staffed by robotic chefs? And how will home cooking change when we have AI to assist us? As we grapple with these questions, one thing is certain. As AI continues to evolve, so too will our relationship with food and cooking. The culinary world is on the cusp of a revolution driven by AI. We've seen how AI is redefining the kitchen, from smart refrigerators to robot chefs. It's not just about convenience, it's about personalization, safety, and innovation in recipes. The ethical considerations are just as important, ensuring food safety and promoting healthy eating habits. The impact of AI stretches from our homes to the world's finest restaurants. Whether you're a home cook or a Michelin-Star chef, the future of cooking is here, and it's powered by AI.